team is 4 pieces, and the Blue Alliance is 2. Both 2 pieces are scored down low. 2 pieces, 2 robots get in the we change into the teleoperated field. 12-18, York Spark to collect that telephone floor and transfer it to their upper pod, which they have used to score. 17-12, scoring a cube high. On the Blue Alliance, 2 robots are inside the community. 1 scores high, 1 scores low. All of them are working in sync to accomplish this goal for the match. Team 8085 takes their code and scores it in the liner. There we go. Team 1712 sends their arm to get the purple cube out of their fire station. Traversing the field with some heavy defense from Team 7414, pushing the red robot into the blue zone. The Firebirds robot 433 picking up the cube from the center of the field, using their intake. Look how small it is. It's so cute. Team 7414 scores another cube low as 8085 scores a cone high. Team 1218 getting it to the center. That's the last piece in the center of the game. As we transition into the game, robots are starting to try to balance, drive on the charge station. Blue Alliance teams 8085 on the charge station. And they free their partner 7415. Can they balance in time? It's a race against the clock. 5 seconds remaining for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance